Hello, welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you for being here. This is my yoga YouTube channel, and I am here with a yoga flow that requires no props. All levels are welcome to join, enjoy. We're going to start out in a child's pose, big toes together, knees apart. On an exhale, walk your hands out and away from you. Bring the forehead down. Bring awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Smooth out each breath, in and out through the nose. Lift up just enough to walk your hands over to the right. Left hand is going to be on top. We might have a friend walk by or Caesar. All right, left hand on top, left shoulder down. Keep the left hip back. We're stretching through the left side of the torso. We're going to switch sides, lift up and walk your hands over to the left. Right hand on top this time. Soften down, lengthen the side of the body. And come back to center. Prop up onto your elbows, touch each shoulder, walk the elbows away a little bit, forehead down. Feel the triceps. Reconnect to the breath. Release your hands. Press up to a tabletop position. Tuck the toes and draw some circles with the torso. So you're going to go to the right, almost through an upward dog, to the left and back. Feel the weight redistribute between the hands. Within each hand, let's go both directions. I don't know if the raccoon walked by the screen, but there is one here. And come back to a neutral spine. One cat-cow. Inhale. And exhale. Neutral. Bring the left foot between the hands. You can scoop the heel up if you need to. Kneeling lunge. Keep the knee over the ankle, shoulders down. Gentle step into the right foot so that you have some alignment happening. Half split. Sit all the way back, any variation you'd like, obviously. I want to sit all the way back today. Lengthen up and fold over the right leg, stretching the hamstrings. Sit up. Shift the weight forward. Lunge, lift the back knee. Lunge twist, left hand down, right arm up. Right hand down. Tabletop. Let's draw some circles with the torso again, just a couple of times in each direction. Oh, the raccoon went behind the camera. And switch. It's just a stray. I have a shorts, if you check out my YouTube shorts playlist and let it play all day, or just let the whole playlist run, that's kind of cool for me. But you can also see the raccoons. All right, other side, left foot between the hands, kneeling lunge. Half split. If you really want to see me feeding the baby raccoons, add me on Instagram. Link in the description box below. Lift up and fold over your left leg, or find whatever variation you've chosen for today. If you're in the US, how was your holiday weekend? It was nice that some of you reached out. Lift up. Shift your weight forward. Lift the back knee. Lunge twist. Right hand down, left arm up. I had an aunt come stay with us. She's still here. I like her. Left hand down. Come back to a tabletop, and let's find some more organic movement, nothing too specific, just kind of massaging through the joints, making the most of the time, your body-mind connection. Just find what speaks to you. Okay, tabletop. Sit down. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart. Seated, butterfly, fold. Sit up. Reverse tabletop. Hands behind you, press and open. Sit down. Extend both legs, arms overhead. Seated, forward fold. Sit up. Turn to face the long edge of the mat, left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over. Side body stretch. Keep it in the side, don't dip forward. Lift up, Baby Wild Thing, left side. Sit down, switch out the legs. Right arm up and over. I burned my side on the stove. It's kind of obnoxious. All right, right hand down, left arm. No, Baby Wild Thing. And sit down. Left foot in. Any way that's comfortable for you to sit. Get a little more sun. Let's twist. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, float them down to the right. Sit up tall, twist. Release through center, arms reach up. Twist to the left. Release through center for a closing breath. Inhale, arms lift. Lower as you exhale. Close the eyes for a moment. Relax the temples and breathe. Be grateful for your presence. You are enough. Let's blink the eyes open and let the light re-enter. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Let me know if you enjoyed this. What else? What's new, guys? Keep in touch. And add me on Instagram so you can see my really cute raccoons. And watch my shorts playlist. So just let it play all the way. You get to see all of the stuff I've been having fun with for the last year. And Instagram. And yeah. Where are you? Hi. Thank you for being here as always. And I will see you again soon. Namaste. Weirdo. Me. I'm the weirdo. Smoothie time.